welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Wow Effect. So today I'm going to show you the first ever magic trick that I learned when I become to learn this art of magic. This is very easy but powerful, simple but effective routine card trick that you can learn with a normal deck of cards. And also today I'm gonna invite a friend of mine to help me to do this trick. So let's get into the trick. Okay, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Right. So you maybe today that your thousands of card trick has been performed. So people get a little bit bored with the card trick. Maybe today I will show you some card moves, some basic techniques that you can learn when playing the card game. Okay, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very fun, right? So to demonstrate, maybe you hold some card like that. I also hold some card. Yeah, I think I got half of the deck and you got half of the deck. Yeah, that's good. Right, so the first card move, the very basic, the very first card move that you have to learn is how to deal the card. Okay, you have to start with that. So dealing the card, very simple. Just do like this. You take one card, put it down. Take one card, put it down. Yeah, you do very good. That's good, right? So after you learn how to deal the card, you know how to shuffle the card. Shuffle the card. So you can hold the card like this and you shuffling. Yeah, I do it this way, but usually people do this one, overhand shuffle, right? So just hold and then spread down and put some on the top. That's very good. How about spreading the card? Right. So you can spread the card and you take some card. That's good. Okay, just leave it like that. Can leave some more, up to you. Right. How about cutting the card? Yeah. So you hold the top part and then you put it on the bottom, or you hold the bottom and you put it on the top. Right. Okay. And then you can start learning how to deal 4 or 5 cards. That's good. You spread in and you deal in very good. Right. So I think you learned the basic techniques, but let's make an example. Let's put it in the real life with some circumstance. For example, like maybe we do the poker game, right? The 4 player. Okay.
Yeah.
So just dealing for them, the 4 player. Maybe you start with dealing some 2-3 cards for them. Okay. Up to you. 2 card. Yeah. Just dealing for them. I make some room for you. Right. Yeah. Yeah. You can keep dealing the card. Okay. Right. So now you can finish up the card. You're running up the card, so you just deal one by one for them. Okay. Okay, just one by one. Okay, that's good. Right. So sway a little bit up. So make the table clear. Right. I think you learn the techniques very good. But they also one important skill that you need to learn is watching your opponent when you're playing the game, right? When you do the move, you have to watch your opponent. What are they doing? Because in some case they may cheating you, right? When you do the move, I also do the move, but I do it a little bit different. Maybe I can cheat you. Let me show you. Like my 4 top card. I got the 4 queen.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's see what you have. I think you got something.
Wow.
Ace. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god.
What? That's really nice. You do this before? Oh my
No.
god, how can you do that? Wow, that's very good. Alright, is this fun? I think it's really fun. Do you want to learn this trick? I will show you now. Right, this is a very simple card trick that you can learn in 10 minutes to wow your friend. It's not need any skill at all, right? But what you need to do is you setting something up. You set the 4 ace on the top of the deck and also the 4 queen under the bottom of the deck. Very simple. And then you can go straight to your audience to show them, right? This is my old story. You can make up your own story. It's up to you. So I start doing the trick by saying that there are 1,000 of card tricks that you already seen today. So maybe it's a little bit boring. How about today? I will show you some card move, some basic techniques that you can learn when doing the playing the card game, right? So now you say that to demonstrate, I will okay, you hold some card for me, and then the spectator holds some card, and then you hold the red, right? So now I holding the pile with the 4 queen under, and they holding the pile with the 4 ace on the top of the deck. Of the pile, right? So what I need to do is moving this 4 queen onto the top, okay, for doing the trick, okay? So I say that I think I'm spreading out the card, and I say that I think I hold half of the decks, and then you pick up these 4 cards and then put it on the top of the decks, okay? Just don't worry about this because the trick hasn't been done yet, so the spectator will not pay the attention into what you are doing, right? So now I got the 4 queen on the top and they got the 4 ace on the top, and you start to do the trick. Now you say that the first move that you need to learn when playing the card game is dealing the card. How about dealing one by one? Can you do that? Okay, so you start to deal the card, and also the spectator also dealing the card. So you need to watching. They need to finish 4 or 5 cards, okay? Maybe 6 cards. And then this is the 4 ace under the bottom, and also I got the 4 queen under the bottom like this, okay? So when you're dealing, you're watching them. Maybe you see they dealing already 5, 6, 7 cards, and so you stop with them with that by saying, do you know how to shuffle? How to do the shuffle? Okay, you shuffle. Now you do this move to make the spectator think that the card already been mixing up, so there is no way that the card is set up, right? So you know how to do the shuffle, you show them how to do the shuffle, okay? You know how to do the cut, you cutting the deck and then do this, okay? They cut the deck, something like this, mixing up the card, okay? And maybe you learn how to deal 3 cards, you learn how to deal 4 cards, so very random, okay? Just put the card on the top, okay, like this. They also dealing 3, 4 cards, they cutting, shuffle, whatever, up to them, right? And then you say that you already learned this move, the basics move. How about we put it in the real life? Okay, real life. So now imagine that we are playing the game of poker. So there is 4 players. It's my old story, okay? There are 4 players, okay? So just deal 3 or 4 cards, 2 cards for the player, right? So you start to tell them, the spectator, to dealing the card, okay? They also dealing the card like this. But when you are dealing the card, you need to watching them up because be careful. They also you need these 4 cards not to be dealt on the table, right? So if you see they are running out of the card like this, okay, then you stop them. I also deal some more cards to even up with them, right? And you see now I have a few cards left, and also they have a few cards left. You need to watch them when they are dealing. And now we are running up the card. How about just finish them up? Just dealing one by one for the player to play the card, okay? So they also dealing like this, right? So now square the decks up like this, okay? And then this is my ending. This is my ending. You say that to when you already learn this move, but also one more important skill that you need to learn is watching your opponent when you're playing. So you say, when you play the card, you didn't watching me. Maybe I can cheat you. So I show them the 4 queen. yeah, on the top. But then I pretend, what do you have? What do you have? Let's show. Let's see. What do you have? Oh, you got the 4 A's. You made the spectator wow. Then they also surprised because they mixing up the card and they dealing up, they do everything, and then these 4A on the top of the desk is very beautiful, very wonderful, right? Right? So this is very simple. I think you can learn it just around 10 minutes to wow your friend. If you like this trick, please like, share, and subscribe for us. I will show you more magic next time. Thanks for your watching. See you.